Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to deliver a presentation using Canva. Okay, so once you are on Canva, assuming you have your presentations ready, this is my presentation slide 1 to slide 15, and I'm going to show you how to actually deliver this presentation online on Canva. So you don't have to even download the presentation, you can just deliver your presentation assuming you have a meeting that you want to deliver. So assuming I want to start from beginning, I can just come all the way to the top right here. I can click on this small arrow and I can see present full screen. Use presenter view enables you to see the notes that you have inside a particular slide during your presentation. It is mostly used when you have some technical content that you may not want to display on a slide. You can have it in the notes section, and then everyone can be able to use. Then we have present and record, which enables you to record yourself as you present. And then you can have autoplay, which you can set the speed automatically to play around with if you know how much timing you have during your presentation. So I'm going to use this first option, which is full presentation, which is what you can see in here. And now I'm delivering my presentation. So I can go ahead and use the arrow key on my keyboard, and I can go back to the beginning of the presentation, and I can use the same arrow key to move from slide to slide, or I can use this mouse. I can click to go from one slide to another, from up to the end of the slides. Yeah, so it's very easy. And on the other side, the person that is viewing, going through the presentation, being part of the presentation, can also as well see what I'm clicking, and I can always use my mouse button or go back. Okay, so you can always escape when you are done. And this is how to deliver your presentations on Canva. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.